Hello, I'm Professor Shalini Sahai from EC Department, SIRT Bhopal. Today, in this lecture, I am going to discuss about the communication network. What is communication? It is the sharing information between two devices. And network, it is an interconnection of various electrical components. As all we know that there are two types of communication. One is wired communication. It is a system which includes all communication system for which data is sent through a wire. For example, cables, optical fibers, transmission line, etc. Transmission lines are the conductors that serve as a path for transmitting or sending electrical waves or energy through them. These basically forms a in connection between transmitter and receiver in order to permit signal transmission. In wireless communication, it is a method of transmitting information from one point to another without using any connection like wires, cables, or any physical medium. With the help of wireless communication, the transmitter and receiver can be placed anywhere between few meters like a TV remote control to a few thousand kilometers like satellite communication. Now we're going to discuss the difference between wired and wireless networks. On the basis of installation, wired networks are more difficult to moderate or install, whereas wireless networks are easily installed networks. Time required for wired network is more where it is less in the terms of wireless network. In terms of cost, wired networks are less costly, such as Ethernet switches, cables are not expensive, whereas in wireless network, they are more costly. For example, wireless adapter and access points are quite expensive. In terms of connectivity, it in wired network, it is possible only to from those physical locations where the network cabling can extends. Whereas in terms of wireless network, connectivity is possible beyond the bounds of physical networks of cabling. In terms of reliability, it is high as the Ethernet cable switches are reliable because manufacturers have improving technology over several decades. Whereas in terms of wireless communication, it reasonably high because if the major sections like router breakdowns, the whole network will be affected. Now, in terms of speed and bandwidth, it is high in wired communication. It is high up to 100 megabytes per second, where it is low in the wireless communication up to 54 uh, megabits bytes per second. In cables, Ethernet, copper, and optical fibers are the examples where the wireless communication works of radio waves and microwaves. Hubs and switches, the wired communication requires hubs and switches for the connection, whereas there is no need of hubs and switches in terms of wireless communication. These are the some examples or the standards used in the wired communication, and this is for the wireless communication. Thank you.